welcome to Instrucart Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got a multi-functional device from Lutron, and this is a pH, ORP, DO, CD, TDS meter. The model number being YK2005WA. Now this meter can detect the pH, conductivity, dissolved oxygen and ORP at the same time. We have got some additional probes just to show. However, this doesn't come as a standard accessories. You might have to purchase the probe separately. Before that, I wanted to tell you that this particular device has got the front key setting or the buttons basically to hold or to see the maximum minimum values, logger, power button, and this is for the probes entry. At the side you have access to the brightness adjustment, RS-232, communication for real-time data, and DC powered 9 volt for connecting from adapter, just in case you don't want to put the 4 AA size batteries into this compartment. Now coming to the probes one by one, if I want to show you, this is an ORP probe, which is also called as oxidation reduction potential probe. Now as you can see, this is having 1 point input which goes into this particular socket. Now at the same time you can also use the pH probe. There's one more for conductivity which fits in here. This is a conductivity meter or the probe, and there's one more which is for dissolved oxygen. And this also fits in here. Now for the dissolved oxygen you also get this electrolyte. You need to fill it before you need to check the dissolved oxygen actually. This is an accessory which also you get for ORP probe polishing strip. Now to tell you about this, this has got a real-time data logger and it can log up to 16,000 records. The conductivity meter also has got up to 200 US range actually, and it has also got a wide sampling time adjustment range from 1 second to 8 hours 59 minutes 59 seconds. You can also have this DO meter which is having a salt percentage and the mountain height compensation value adjustments. For the circuit, basically it is a custom one chip of microprocessor LSI circuit. The display is basically 58 mm to 34 mm. As you can see the LCD. The operating temperature for this is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. And the humidity is less than 80% RH. It is mostly used in water conditioning, aquariums, beverage, fish hatchery, food processing, photography, laboratory, paper industry, plating industry, quality control, school and college, and many other such applications. You also get the hard carrying case to fit in this instrument, and a calibration certificate along with an instruction manual, of course. For more information onto this products and similar product, you can always reach our experts at www.instacart.com. Thanks for watching.